Yes, everybody, how is it? Yeah, it's a beautiful evening here. The weather is cool. It's actually from raining, and this is the best time for birding. Yeah, can say that you can get your bino, move around to the nearest forest for your birding session. Yeah, it's just the good evening here. Now I'm planning my birding to this end of Lake Edward. Just want to view some shorebirds, and well, I'm expecting some good birds. One, I'm expecting uh, some lapwings, with other species of cormorants, great white pelicans, yeah, and plovers. Well, kingfishers not left alone, and this is the great time for birding. So I call upon every ornithologist who is ready for this, and actually let's gather together for this session. It's a great time for us to do this activity now. And maybe with birding, when we're doing birding at all, we don't only focus on birding. I also have to be careful when moving around forests, and then because sometimes you happen to be in forest which is thick, so you get to be careful for yourself, and sometimes you happen to meet predators whereby some of them are hostile, others are aggressive, so due to these bad temperatures, so you have to be careful on your life. And this is what I say as an enthusiastic birder, so I wish you all the best.